Planning your next RV adventure? You'll need reliable power on the road. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best generator for RV 30-amp setups, ensuring your appliances run smoothly whether you're camping off-grid or at a busy site. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Champion 4000 Watt RV. If you're searching for a dependable, portable power source for your next RV trip, the Champion 4000 Watt RV inverter generator is a standout option worth considering. Tipping the scales at less than 49 pounds, this unit is impressively lightweight for a 4000 watt inverter, making it easy to transport and store in your RV or camper. One of its most appealing qualities is the noise level. At just 64 dBA from 23 feet, it won't disrupt your campground neighbors or your own peace and quiet. The generator delivers 4,000 starting watts and 3,000 running watts, offering enough juice to handle essential RV appliances like your air conditioner, fridge, and microwave, while also serving as a reliable backup option for home use. It runs up to 10 hours on a full tank of gas, which is a respectable runtime for an inverter of this size. Safety features are another strong suit. The built-in CoShield carbon monoxide auto shutoff system adds peace of mind, automatically turning the unit off if dangerous CO levels are detected. This is a crucial feature for RVers who might operate the unit near living spaces or enclosed areas. The generator's easy start dial makes operation straightforward, while cold start technology ensures the unit fires up easily in colder temperatures, which is a big plus for early spring or fall camping trips. Number 2. Westinghouse 4650. For RV owners who need a reliable, heavy-duty generator capable of handling more demanding power needs, the Westinghouse 4650 is an outstanding option. Delivering 4650 peak watts and 3,600 running watts, this generator has the muscle to run multiple appliances and devices at once, whether you're in your RV, tailgating, or dealing with a home power outage. Its 4-gallon fuel tank offers an impressive runtime of up to 14 hours, so you can count on consistent performance throughout the night or during long stretches on the road. The recoil start system is dependable, and the included fuel gauge makes it easy to keep an eye on fuel levels. Connectivity and safety features on this generator are excellent. It comes equipped with two 5-20R120V household duplex outlets, a 30-amp RV-ready TT30R receptacle, and a 30-amp L5-30R outlet, all of which have rubber safety covers for added protection against dirt, moisture, and accidental contact. It's powered by a robust 212 cubic centimeters Westinghouse 4-stroke OHV engine that includes a long-lasting cast iron sleeve for durability, as well as an automatic low-oil shutdown and a carbon monoxide (CO) shutdown feature for added safety. One of the most appreciated aspects of the Westinghouse 4650 is its plug-and-play convenience. It arrives with oil, an oil funnel, a tool kit, and a user manual, meaning you'll need minimal assembly before you're ready to power up. RV owners will also value the combination of power and portability. While it's heavier than some inverter models, it's still manageable and offers more output capacity for larger RV setups or backup home essentials. In short, the Westinghouse 4650 is a rugged. Number 3. Westinghouse 30A outlet. Compact, lightweight, and impressively versatile, the Westinghouse 30A outlet generator is an excellent choice for RV owners seeking a portable and efficient power solution. Offering 2550 peak watts and 1900 running watts, this generator is best suited for smaller RV setups or as a reliable backup for essentials during a power outage. Weighing just 42.4 pounds, it's easy to carry, store, and transport, making it ideal for RVers on the move. Despite its size, it delivers clean, stable power with less than 3% total harmonic distortion, THD, ensuring it's safe for sensitive electronics like smartphones, laptops, and televisions. One of the generator's standout features is its quiet operation. With a noise output as low as 52 dBA, it's perfect for camping and tailgating where peace and quiet are appreciated. Its 1.16-gallon gas tank offers up to 12 hours of run time, which is impressive for a generator of this size, especially when paired with its fuel-saving economy mode that adjusts engine speed to match your power needs. The Westinghouse 30A outlet model comes ready to use right out of the box. It includes oil, an oil funnel, a tool kit, and a detailed user manual to simplify setup and operation. Outlet options are well thought out, with one RV-ready TT30R outlet, two 120V 20-amp household outlets, and two USB ports for charging small devices. This range of outlets ensures you have everything covered, whether you're running RV appliances or personal electronics. Built with safety and efficiency in mind, this generator also includes automatic low-oil shutdown and overload protection, safeguarding both the unit and your appliances. Number 4. Champion CoShield. The Champion CoShield generator combines impressive power, quiet operation, and advanced safety features into one highly capable package for RV owners. Delivering 4,500 starting watts and 3,500 running watts, this generator can easily handle the needs of a midsize RV, from running air conditioners and refrigerators to charging electronics and lighting systems. Its 2.3-gallon gas tank offers an extended run time of up to 14 hours on a full tank, making it reliable for overnight use or long days at the campsite. One of this generator's highlights is its quiet technology, which operates at just 61 dBA, quieter than a normal conversation. This makes it a great choice for RV parks, campgrounds, or tailgating where minimizing noise is a priority. It's also parallel ready, meaning you can connect it with another 2,800 watt or higher Champion inverter using an optional kit to double your power output, a handy feature for larger RVs or situations requiring additional wattage. The IntelliGauge with a power meter lets you easily monitor voltage, frequency, and operating hours, helping you manage your power consumption more effectively. The Easy Start dial simplifies the startup process, while Economy mode adjusts engine speed based on load, improving fuel efficiency and reducing wear over time. Number 5. Powersmart DL5040C. The Powersmart DL5040C is a well-balanced generator built to deliver clean, reliable power for RV owners, outdoor enthusiasts, and emergency use alike. Offering 4,400 starting watts and 3,600 running watts, this generator is capable of handling small to mid-size RV power needs, including essentials like air conditioning, refrigerators, and personal electronics. With a runtime of up to 5.1 hours at 50% load, it ensures dependable performance during shorter camping trips or power outages. This model shines when it comes to user convenience. It features a 30A outlet specifically designed for RV hookups, providing an easy connection to your rig's electrical system. The generator also includes two 3-prong 120V 20A receptacles, a 12V DC outlet, and parallel ports for linking with another compatible unit to increase available power. This flexibility makes it a practical option for both RV use and other outdoor applications. Noise levels are reasonable, operating at 59 dBA from 23 feet at 25% load, though it can climb to 76 dBA under full load. It includes Eco mode to optimize fuel efficiency by adjusting engine speed based on the connected load, reducing fuel consumption and extending run time.